What I wish I knew about these deadly insects. Number 10 will shock you. Starting at number 10, the Asian giant hornet. Their 2-inch size and potent stingers are no joke. Number 9, assassin caterpillars. These bristly crawlers can inject venom, causing serious internal bleeding. Next, giant Japanese hornets at number 8. Their venom can be fatal. Number 7, fire ants. Painful stings and allergic reactions can be deadly. Bullet ants take spot. Number 6, their sting feels like getting shot. Number 5, driver ants. Aggressive bites can lead to nasty infections. Fleas are number 4. They spread bubonic plague, remember? On to number 3, kissing bugs. Chagas disease, anyone? Second place, tsetse flies. They transmit fatal sleeping sickness. And finally, number 1, mosquitoes. These tiny terrors cause over 700,000 plus deaths annually. Stay safe, folks.